right, so we're starting off with a brownie, cup of coffee that I just finished, and a nice big glass of, or bottle I should say, of Fiji water. I've been drinking one of these giant, it's like almost a half a gallon of water each day, and my goal is to have 2 of them. So that's that. I'm laying here on my couch just waking up and going to eat my brownie. So I'll see you after I shower. All right, guys, we're at fueling number 2, and I made the chili in a mug because it's kind of dank and rainy here, and I'm in the mood. But I like it extra watery like this because it makes it into some kind of soup, a chili soup. So I cooked it with a little more water than the package says, and I cooked it for 5 minutes in the microwave. And we are gonna go eat this chili right now. See you at fueling 3. Hey guys, I am on the way to get Brittany from work, and just wanted to let you know how I'm doing, how I'm feeling. Feeling good. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you'll probably already know that the last couple of weeks have been a little crazy for me. Had a little bit of a health scare, but everything turned out to be okay. So my lack of weigh-in videos is obvious. So I wanted to give you a little bit of an update. I am down another 2 pounds, so that's really good. Yesterday finished the medication that the OBGYN put me on. My crazy bleeding has now stopped, so all good things. Kind of out of that headspace of worry and thinking, you know, when the doctor says they have to do a biopsy for cancer and things like that, you, of course, your mind just goes and goes. And with all of that bleeding I had, it was weeks, heavy. I was so fatigued and so tired. So I apologize for not, you know, making a lot of videos for you. I know that a lot of you depend upon or enjoy them and use them for inspiration on your Optavia journey. So I'm sorry, but I'm back. And, you know, looking forward to some nice new videos, some new recipes, what I eat in a day, vlogging, everything. We have our vacation coming up in a couple weeks, so of course I'm going to bring you with me, and I'm going to be bringing my NutriBullet, my food scale, the whole 9 yards, my fuelings. So yeah, so for those of you that reached out during that crazy time of mine, thank you. And to the prayer warriors, guys, I swear, I said it to my family. I'm like, I came through this with a negative test result because of all of you. So I'm so glad that's behind me, but I did want to say thank you. I love you all for that so much. All right, so I'm pulling up in a second to Wendy's because I'm just craving a Diet Coke. And I don't have them often, but, you know, it's Sunday and I want one. So I'm going to go get one. Definitely better than eating something off plan. Although, you know, the past couple of weeks I've been just so good that I really don't have a crazy appetite. So I've been able to stay focused and do what I need to do, which is good. But every now and then, you know, you want a diet soda. So go for the diet soda. It's not going to kill you. Hold on while I place my order.
Wendy?
Hi, can I get a large Diet Coke with light ice, please?
Large Diet Coke, light ice, anything else?
That'll be all.
Thank you. Soda's going to be still in the study.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so that's how you do a Wendy's drive-thru when you only want a Diet Coke. And I really couldn't even hear what in the world the kids said as far as money goes, but I always keep cash in my glove box for the car wash, for tips, whatever. So let's see how this comes out. Sometimes they give you the Diet Coke and they forget to press the little button. And I don't know why, but that freaks me out. I'm always afraid that it's gonna have sugar in it. And there were a couple times where I took a sip and was like, whoa, it's got sugar. But then, you know, it's like you get used to it and you can't tell if there's sugar in it or not. I don't know. But lots of fun things coming up this week. Hold on. Hi. Thank you. You can keep the 3 cents. That's fine, thanks. I don't want any more change in my hands. All right, let's see if this is diet. Please be correct. How are you?
Good, are you?
Good, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, so no buttons on top of the cup have been pressed. That's what scares me. But we are gonna taste test it. But let me just get out into the highway here first because I don't want to get into an accident. Heck no. But anyway, yeah, lots of fun stuff coming up this week. I'm going for the chop, guys. I am going. I've decided to go like shoulder length because that little bit that hangs at the bottom isn't in line with the rest of my hair because of all the layers. So I want to get it into a very sharp, straight line bottom. And I like the style. Plus it's so hot in the summertime. I just want something easy. I'm kind of over the long hair for right now. And who knows, you know, like at my age in your 50s, you kind of just get tired of long hair. It just looks nicer when it's just manicured nice, professional looking. I don't know, but you know, I flip-flop with everything, so who the heck knows. But I did like my hair a couple years ago when it was that, you know, it was like nice and A-lined, or not A-lined, blunt, shorter. I do have to do some shopping. I'm loving the shopping hauls. You know, it's crazy when I say this, but that little bit of retail therapy while I was, you know, waiting for my test results really helped distract me. And I've always been a shopper. I love to go shopping. If you call me on the phone, if you're a friend of mine, and say, hey, Laura, let's go to TJ Maxx, let's go to Marshall's, let's go to Target, let's go to the mall, let's go here. You will always have a buddy to go with you because I love it. And I don't always have to buy a ton of stuff, but I don't know. I don't know if it's the pandemic or what, but the prices at like Marshall's and TJ Maxx and places like that are so good right now. Like I'm buying stuff for work and leisure and all that for under 20 bucks. All right, I'm gonna do a taste test here. Let's try it. Yep, this is diet. Woohoo! And you gotta be careful with these sodas because there's caffeine in their Diet Coke. One day I had one of these large Diet Cokes. Go ahead, buddy. And I drank it pretty quickly and I had palpitations that night. Woo! Were they bad. So you have to be careful because there's artificial sweetener. One, that can upset somebody if they're sensitive, and two, caffeine. So I will milk this. Right now it's not even 12 o'clock yet and I will milk it for the day until tonight. And if I have to add more ice later, I will. All right, so we are almost to Brittany's place of employment. So I'll just end this here and I'll see you guys at the next fueling. All right, so here's my next fueling. I'm having my lean and green. We have 270 grams of the hot and spicy cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's, 7 ounces of shrimp, and 3 ounces of avocado for my 2 healthy fats. So here's lean and green, nice hearty meal. And these good fats are so good for you. Please, please, a lot of you out there are not getting in your healthy fat. You can't skip it, guys. It's so important. Your hormones depend upon healthy fat. Don't do something unnecessary for your body. Definitely dive into your healthy fat, whether it be olive oil, butter, avocado. There's so many different things that you can use. Check your spiral book, but don't eliminate the fat from your diet. It's very important. We're at the next fueling and I decided to do the creamy chocolate shake. Loaded up this cup with ice and water and the fueling. And I did 2 tablespoons of PB2. So that's my full optional snack. So we have a full optional snack with this straw test approved creamy chocolate shake. All right, guys, so I'm out and about. What else is new? Sorry, I look so bad. Went to Ulta because I'm going to be getting my hair colored and cut during the week. So what I wanted to do is do a deep treatment. And I was going to do the Olaplex like I do, but when I was in Ulta, they have a whole new line. They say is better than Olaplex, and it was quite pricey like Olaplex, but you get more products. So the first one is the shampoo. It's by Redken. It's called the Acidic Bonding Concentrate Shampoo. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I picked up the bottle of conditioner. This is called Acidic Bonding Concentrate Conditioner. And it says 11% and 7%. Have no idea what that even means yet. I have to read the bottle. And then I got to try the Acidic Perfecting Concentrate Leave-In Treatment. And that says 5%. The smell on these, guys, delicious. So I'm excited. Like I said, basically the girl there, I was talking to her about Olaplex because I was not in the mood to go to Sephora today. It was just too far and out of the way. We have our malls and everything are closed here on Sunday, so I would have had to travel. I wasn't in the mood. But Ulta in my area is open. So they said that this line basically came out very recently. They just got it in, and they said they cannot keep it in stock. So that to me is always something quite interesting when, you know, something new comes and people are just going to buy it. And it was also next to the salon that's in Ulta, and I was talking to one of the stylists there, and she said this stuff is amazing. We'll see. I'm gonna try it out. I also grabbed this little palette by ColourPop. ColourPop. I'm gonna open it and show you. All right, so let's check it out. I was going for more of a cool tone, kind of, oh, I love these colors. Look at this. Here's your cool tones. We've got some like steel gray, some of that like smoky gray mixed with the purple, dark purple. This is the color palette that I love the most. And there's some shimmer one in there. Oh, love it. And again, it's called That's Taupe by ColourPop. This thing was 14 bucks. You can't beat it when there's 9 colors in there. And then the last thing I grabbed was a NYX lip pencil in the color Nude Beige. There it is. It's just like a nude beige. There's the color. There it is. All right, so I'm sweating in the sweatshirt. I really should have put on something else, but anyway, that's that. So now I'm headed home. See you when we get there. All right, guys, I just took a shower. This is with no product in my hair other than the Redken shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in treatment. And I can't even believe how soft. And look at the smoothness. There's like no frizz, just a little bit, not a lot of it. But I'm excited to get my hair cut like to where this layer ends right there. Woo! All right, so far, say hi to Paisley. So far, I like the treatment and the shampoo and conditioner. So if you have an opportunity to try it, I would suggest you do. I will be diving into another fueling very shortly. I just want to finish cleaning up in here, putting my blow dryer away, and I'll see you out in the kitchen. Pancake in a brownie ramekin with 1 tablespoon of Walden Farms maple walnut syrup is out of control. Look at that. Some of you were asking me if these ramekins come with the pancakes. They do not. These come with the cinnamon swirl cake as well as the brownies. And I just love my pancakes in them. It comes out so good. Try this one out, guys. You'll absolutely love it. All right, guys. It's almost 8 o'clock. I'm on my last fueling. And we are having the campfire s'mores bar to finish off the day. Yeah, what a great day. And I stayed on plan yet again. I'm excited. I'm like really, really doing well and trying really hard to stay on plan. Here comes Boo. All right, guys, so I'm going to end the video here and I'm going to go watch some YouTube. edit this video and hopefully have it up for you tonight. And I will see you in my next video. And remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. Have a great night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.